First Water Technology is developing a high-efficiency system for drinking water treatment that, compared to conventional setups of the same size, allows for greater throughputs while decreasing the volume of produced waste and limiting maintenance requirements. Unlike other technologies which rely on costly and high-maintenance mechanization and advancement in material science for process improvement, our core technology is based on fluid mechanics and flow channel geometry. With our product, utilities will have access to a robust, low-footprint water treatment solution that is high-efficient and requires less energy than existing alternatives.
My name is Marcin. I am a PhD candidate in environmental engineering and the co-founder of the First Water Technology. We are offering innovative solutions for the field of industrial process water. The problem we are solving results from the fact that most of the manufacturing facilities in Poland, where I come from, are configured to rely on wells as the source of their process water. By process water, I mean everything from cooling to washing cars and conveyor belts. Recent changes in the EU regulations mean that the use of well water is restricted, so de facto they are protecting well water for the human consumption. As a result of that, all those facilities will lose their permits to draw water and are currently seeking alternative water sources. Our idea is to propose surface water, so resources like ponds and creeks, as an alternative sustainable water source. Due to the lower quality of such water, it requires different treatment than the well water. If the facility was to change, simply shift to the surface water, process which is configured to operate on the well water will typically malfunction. We will propose to our clients a plug-and-play solution which will be placed upstream from their existing process and therefore will allow for easy conversion of the already existing system to the use of sustainable surface water without the risk of malfunctioning. The advantages of our technology lie both in the capex. It is more than 50% smaller than the alternatives present in the market, which means that the cost of construction is smaller, the use of area is smaller. And in the OpEx, because of its simple construction, the service cost is much lower and the reliability is much higher. Besides that, our systems generate less waste than the available alternatives, mitigating environmental impact and further improving the economic balance of the operation. Our expected early adopters of our technology will be food processing facilities in Poland and in the entire EU, especially the ones which currently have problems securing permits for drawing well water for their process applications. The reason why we are targeting food industry is because, first of all, it is a very big sector in the Central Europe, and besides that, we have a lot of connections in this particular field. We are projecting that average revenue per single transaction will be approximately $100,000, and the total size of our early adopter market only in Poland will be $500 million. We are also projecting that we will grow very rapidly because of the EU legislation becoming more and more stringent. As the next steps, we will probably approach the other branches of industry, water-intensive industries such as petrochemical or paper, and they are facing the same problems that the food industry. However, we don't have such a strong established network with these branches of the industry. We will also approach utilities, especially in the US, where small water systems have severe problems complying with the water quality requirements. Globally, our total addressable market is evaluated at approximately $200 billion, both for water and wastewater. So the opportunity is huge, and there is a lot of work to do in that sector. We believe that we are the best team to do that work. We are an experienced team combining competence in the area of technology, legal, and business. And we believe that we are the ones who should work on that project. For the next steps, we have recently secured the letter of intent with the distributor of our solutions in Poland, and we are currently working on the structural design of the MVP. We also applied for federal funding here in the US, and we secured a technology transfer grant from the European Union Regional Development Fund. They will provide us with $75,000 for thank you. They will provide us with $75,000 for opening a subsidiary of our company in Poland and for testing our technology. We'll conduct 10 months technology validation with one of the main utilities in Poland, and after that period, we will be ready to launch our solutions to the market. If you are interested in our work, if you would like to connect with us, please feel free to reach out to me after the event or just send me an email. Thank you for your attention.